Let's turn now to Sharon from Birmingham. Sharon, we appreciate you calling as well. How are you this evening?
I'm blessed to be among the living. Thank you so much for asking. Hello to all of you, and thank you for accepting my question. My question is there a cap in the state of Alabama for the recovery of a wreck? And can an attorney tell you if it is, what the cap is?
That's a fantastic question.
It sounds like she might be talking about some municipality issues.
Did she say I thought she said tax.
Caps.
A cap.
Caps,
Cap,
I'm sorry.
yes,
I understood.
yes.
Misunderstood. I thought she was asking about tax.
Yes.
Go ahead.
It'll just depend. If she's talking about, say for example, it was a sheriff's or something that caused the accident, then obviously caps would come into play. But if it was just a normal run-of-the-mill, then obviously we'd look to the policy of the driver.
Mm-hmm. There are states that do have caps on personal injury damages. Fortunately, we've avoided that in Alabama. But Mintrell's right, for counties or for cities, you do have a municipal cap.
Yeah, but I just encourage Sharon, just talk to a lawyer, and they would 100% know what she's dealing with.
Absolutely.
Yes,
And
yes.
Melanie, we talk about statute of limitations a lot, being 2 years. I meant to mention that to Keith also, that you have a 2-year statute, Keith, to file your lawsuit. But municipalities are different and counties are different. So you don't have 2 years there. File what's called a notice of claim within 6 months. So if you're in an accident involving a municipality, sort of like Shannon was asking about a county vehicle, get to a lawyer quickly, because if you file that notice of claim within 6 months, it acts like a statute of limitations and you lose your claim.
And why is that?
It's just a statute.
Okay.
And what the statute says is that it gives the municipalities an opportunity to look at a claim and settle the claim without the necessity of a lawsuit. That never happens.
Okay.
It just doesn't happen. Okay. But the law is still what it is, and you still have to get a lawyer to file that notice of claim for you within 6 months or you lose your rights.
Okay. And I just want to echo something that Kirby's always talked about. Make sure it's a lawyer that actually has experience in dealing with those issues.
Yes.
Yes.
And I like what you said too. Make sure it's someone who's tried cases
No question.
similar to these. Not just filed. Wonderful,
Yes,
wonderful.
that's true.
Well, Sharon, thank you so much for calling in tonight.